Hey guys, welcome back on channel from Zero to Millionaire. Today we will be speak about new promotion from Revolt, who give you opportunity to earn $11 from refer a friends to create account on Revolut. If you doesn't have Revolut account, you can easily use my link what I put in description to create account, or you can go to webpage revolut.com and you can download the app, and when you download this app you can easily create your account and order your card to a possibility to pay this card. For person who doesn't know what is Revolut have two options: personal and for business. This is application connection with bank who give you your card and give you a lot of possibility. One is using this card in your travel to pay this card, and second option is withdraw money from your ATM, very cheap, and is a good calculation between your currency account and currency what you want and withdraw. They have a lot of options inside because they have insurance, cryptocurrency, so you can transfer your, for example, if you have US dollar, you can easily exchange to GBP or for another currency that you at the moment travel. And like you see, you can easily manage your money. Travel with this card is very easily. Here's some regulation how it's working. Easily send money between accounts. It's very secure. I very recommended this card because they have, if you have, they have option one-time use card. So if you have premium account and you pay this card in internet, you can use one times this code, your card number, not code, and after when you pay, this card is invalid and is generated new card number for you. So if you buy something in some shop and this shop will be have some hack by some hackers, and you they get your card, they get nothing because this card is not to use anymore. And second interesting part is you can every moment freeze card, and you can set option when you want to use this card. So I very recommend this card because it's very secure. Like you see here, you can set all these settings. Have exchange cryptocurrency, and it's very global, so a lot of person using this card. But enough speaking about this card. Now we're switching to my phone and I show you a promotion what I got from Revolut company. I'm already switched to my phone. Like you see, it's my dashboard, and on the top you have information get 44 Polish zloty for every invitation. So we can go inside, and like you say, it's information. This promotion will be left for 18 days. And we have description. Invite our friends, we will get 44 Polish zloty and they will get a free card. You earn 44 Polish zloty when your friend make their first card payment. They will get a free card. And this is enough information. And when you switch to some browser to calculate, like you see, 44 Polish zloty is around 11 US dollars. So it's very nice commissions for one person who refer. So how to refer a friend? It's very simple. You're going to the dashboard. This is last icon. This is last icon on your desktop. You have accounts, analytics, payment, cards, and dashboard on the bottom. You're pushing this, and you're going to dashboard, like you see in my desktop. Next, you need push button get 44 Polish zloty and push button invite friends. Now you see in the bottom section is is contacts from my phones, what I can check and send their link. And top section you have information share your invite link. So you need copy this link and send to your friends. When your friends register account and make first payment, you get commissions. So it's very, very simple. How to recommend this application, this card to your friends? It's very simple. Go to webpage revolut.com. There you will find a lot of information how this card working, how is secure this card, how use this card, how card can help them in travel. And I think a lot of your friends will be interested in this card and application. I hope you liked this video. So please let some comments if you liked this application or you dislike this application. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. See you in the next movie.